Hello, I'm David Coombs, a senior consultant with Leonardo Group, your partner in Lean Excellence. We're excited to be presenting another 3-day Lean Materials Management Workshop at Toyota's award-winning plant in Indiana. And we want to give you a quick preview of this unique learning opportunity. Hosted by Toyota Industrial Equipment Manufacturing and sponsored by the partner companies of the Lean Factory Group, this workshop combines classroom instruction, small group work sessions, and a simulation exercise of an actual mixed model lean assembly line and Kanban system. Best of all, this event takes place in the Corporate Training Center attached to Toyota's million-square-foot production facility, which builds fork trucks for Toyota's growing North American markets. 2 extensive plant tours, led by Toyota executives, illustrate the lean principles and Kanban techniques covered in the classroom and workshop sessions. There's no better way to reinforce what you learn than to see it in action. The Lean Materials Workshop is built around 12 instructional modules developed by the Leonardo Group consulting team, all seasoned experts in designing and implementing successful Kanban systems. These tightly written and clearly presented classes include plenty of real-life stories to illustrate the solutions that actually work and why. There's always time for input and questions, and each module concludes with a quick knowledge check to assure that everyone has picked up the key takeaway points. Each day, we break into smaller work teams to complete a learning activity. You'll calculate Kanban quantities, safety stocks, replenishment schedules, and space requirements for a Kanban supermarket. You'll even design a milk run replenishment route for final assembly. Workshop attendees also learn to create a materials plan for a mixed model production line and then prepare it for line live in Toyota's product demonstration facility. Assembly workstations by Bosch and Kanban accessories by Orgatex are integrated into this unique hands-on simulation activity. And then, after lunch on day 3, we take the lean line live. Team members take turns assembling product, replenishing Kanban bins, and operating the Kanban supermarket. Others monitor production, quality levels, stockouts, if any, and record the results. This simulation exercise runs long enough to illustrate the Kanban dynamics that you'll see when implementing a real-life system and closes with a wrap-up discussion of the lessons learned. All this classroom work is reinforced by what we see and learn in the plant tours on days 2 and 3. Here you'll see mixed model single-piece flow manufacturing at its very best. The TIEM plant produces over 60 models on just 2 lines at a takt time of under 4 minutes. Fork trucks come with an almost infinite variety of options and accessories, and all these parts requirements are accommodated on the line as well. How the associates make this work so well is an unparalleled example of Kanban-based pull materials management. The pull system for a complex product family only works with frequent trips, light loads, and very quick responsiveness to changing needs. Taiichi Ohno, the father of the Toyota production system, described this approach as being like the well-known Asian water strider insect, moving quickly between the supply area, Kanban supermarket, and the point of use in assembly. This is Toyota's Kanban supermarket area, handling approximately 10,000 stock-keeping units, and refilling Kanban bins retrieved 12 times per shift by the milk run operators. Amazingly, this supermarket-based replenishment system makes it possible for the entire plant to turn all its line-side inventories twice per shift. The entire plant is carefully laid out with a physical address system tied into the Kanban database. Every movement of parts bin, Kanban card, and tow tractor train is carefully linked. Here you see a Kanban card and its well-marked floor location. TIEM uses a decoupled replenishment system. That is, one team restocks bins, collects Kanban cards, and retrieves empty bins, while another team in the supermarket processes Kanban cards, and reloads bins with parts for the delivery carts. Over a dozen milk run routes serve the plant, most of them operating with tow tractors pulling one or more carts or carriers. All workstations are supplied with parts from the aisles, typically through flow racks holding 2 or more Kanban bins per SKU. This frees up operators to focus on quality and productivity and eliminates confusion and excess motion from the workspace. The level of 5S cleanliness is first class, as you can see here. TIEM employs about 800 hourly associates working in one shift. The plant went into operation 22 years ago, and since that time has gone from startup to a dominant market share position in North America. A key factor in this huge success has been employee engagement in continuous improvement, or Kaizen. Each employee, on average, contributes 1.5 productive suggestions per month, the vast majority of which are implemented. This keeps Toyota's performance always ahead of even the most determined competition. Throughout the million square feet of production space, one sees visual indicators of key performance metrics. The 12 daily parts milk runs operate like a finely tuned train system, with countdown clocks showing minutes to departure from certain locations. Everyone in the building keeps an eye on attainment to schedule and tack times, maintaining a level, reliable tempo throughout the shift. Level scheduling is the key to keeping all these elements in sync. Finally, all our tours stop in the glass house, located right on the production floor. Here, key metrics from all functions and assembly areas are posted and updated, at least daily. The leadership team, including the president, meets here every morning for a brief, crisp review of operations, issues, and improvement measures. This focus on the Gemba, where value is added and the work gets done, is the real secret to Toyota's success. This has been just a quick preview of the Lean Materials Management Workshop and Toyota Facility Tours. These 3-day workshops, limited to 40 participants each, have been selling out, and we are delighted to offer one more in this calendar year. Our attendees have come from all over the United States and some from overseas to see and learn these cutting-edge materials strategies. We hope you'll join us this December, so register today. You can find out more and register at www.leanfactorygroup.com or give us a call at 303-494-4693. We hope to see you there.